Today I launched an AI bot for sandwich arbitrage on the Ethereum network and documented every step so you can replicate the process without missing anything. First, a quick explanation of sandwich arbitrage in simple terms. Imagine spotting someone else's pending buy order in the mempool. Your bot sends a buy transaction just before it, and as soon as that user's order executes, your bot sells immediately after, all within the same block. This sandwiches their transaction between your buy and sell orders, capturing slippage as profit. The bot automates this by constantly monitoring the mempool and placing its orders strategically. I started by checking my MetaMask wallet. I had 0.5 ETH plus a bit extra to cover gas fees. A safe starting amount. Minimum is 0.2 ETH, but it's better to stay above that. I made sure MetaMask was connected to the Ethereum Mainnet. Next, I opened Remix IDE and created a file named bot.sol inside the contracts section. I pasted the bot's code from the video description into this file. The code had some initial comments with important tips about the deposit amount and settings. I read through them carefully. Then, I went to the Solidity compiler tab, selected version 0.6.6, as specified in the code, chose Solidity as the language, and kept the default EVM version. I hit compile and waited for a successful, error-free build. In the Deploy and Run Transactions section, I selected Injected Provider, MetaMask, confirmed the connection, and clicked Deploy. You can increase the gas price to speed things up, but that's optional. Once confirmed, the contract was successfully deployed. I copied the deployed contract address and checked it on Etherscan to make sure everything looked right. Then, using MetaMask, I sent 0.5 ETH to the contract and confirmed that the balance was credited on Etherscan. Once the contract had funds, I clicked the Start button in the Remix interface, or the equivalent function in your code. MetaMask asked for confirmation. I approved. The bot started scanning the mempool, looking for pending transactions, placing a slightly higher gas buy order ahead of them, and selling right after within the same block to profit from slippage. After a few hours, I checked Etherscan and saw that the contract's balance had started to increase. A good sign. I let the bot run for a full 24 hours and checked again. The balance growth was consistent. To withdraw funds, I went back to Remix, clicked the Withdraw button, and confirmed the transaction in MetaMask. The bot returned my original 0.5 ETH along with the earned profit, minus gas fees. I checked my MetaMask wallet, and the funds were there. Important reminders: profitability depends on current network activity, liquidity, and volume. Results can vary day to day. Always verify that the code you're using is up to date, especially if it's open source. Never use third-party wallets or unverified links. Phishing is a real threat. Adjust gas price wisely. Higher gas, faster processing, but higher cost. Only deposit what you're willing to risk. There's no guaranteed return. I typically let the bot run for at least 24 hours to evaluate performance. If there's no profit, I tweak the settings and try again.